So today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox for you guys, and I did go ahead and ask for my same stylist because I think she did a pretty good job the last time. So I want to see what she does this time. And I did notice that this doesn't look like a very big box. And last time I only got 5 items. So I didn't get the option anymore to choose 5, 6, 7, or 8 items. But 5 items, I believe, is all I'm going to be getting now in my boxes. I did like the option to get 8 because you could just still pick 5 and still get that 25% discount. So it gave you a little bit of wiggle room to be able to still get the discount. But I'm pretty sure that I'm just going to be getting 5 because I didn't get that option to choose 8 again. And there was something that was in my saved list. I could go ahead and prompt a fix from it. So I chose a blazer that I was really wanting. That was in my saved list, and they were supposed to create some outfits. I asked for some outfits around that blazer, and so we'll see what they send. And also, when you do that, you don't get a preview. So I don't know what is in here except for that blazer that I chose to start this whole fix. And it was a back-to-back fix, so I did not have to pay a styling fee for this one. So enough talking, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. So I will say this again, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription service. You do have to pay a $20 styling fee, but anything that you purchase from the Fix will go toward that. If you don't get anything, you are out that $20 styling fee. And I'll also have a referral link in the description box for you guys. It'll give you $25 off of your first box. And then here is the bundle. So I see some pink and blue. This is the thing that I'm pretty sure started this fix. So let's see what we've got. Okay, so the first thing is from Liverpool. Looks like a ribbed top. This is the Ophelia Sleeveless Boat Neck Rib Knit Top in navy. This looks more royal blue than navy. Again, how many navy tops have they sent me? But I think this will look good under that blazer that I picked out. And I love Liverpool. Here's another thing from Liverpool. It is the V-neck popover with collar in blue. This feels like that scuba knit material from Walmart or that Spanx material. So we'll see what that feels like. And then this feels like the same kind of material. It's from Liverpool as well. It's a zip up funnel neck jacket in light purple. Feels like that same nice soft material. And then this is the blazer that I really wanted to get styled around. So this is the knit Jacquard blazer in blue. Skies are blue. And then it looks like there are a pair of bottoms, and they're from Tribal, and I love Tribal bottoms. They are the Frt Palazzo with WB detail. I don't know what WB detail is. Waistband detail maybe? And size 8 in beige. So nice wide leg. These should fit. Hope they're a good inseam length, not too crops, because I want to be able to wear them for fall. So those are the 5 things. Let me go ahead and get started with the try on. Okay, so here's the first outfit. This is the Skies Are Blue blazer. This is what started this fix. I picked this and then wanted some outfits that would go with this blazer. So this is really good. Of course, I had to cut the sleeves a little bit, so you can see what the inside looks like. So I kind of like that because it gives it a little bit of a difference to the bottom. So this is like that tweed material. There is no button, so it's just kind of like drape front blazer. And then this is the top from Liverpool. It has that really beautiful boat neck neckline. It is sleeveless, but I think it does pair really nicely with this. They match pretty well. And then these pants are from Tribal, and I love Tribal. They're kind of like a top pocket, no side pockets. And then they have some back pockets back here as well. The length is a length that I can wear with flats. It's kind of at that, is it too short or not? But I think it'll look good with some flats, and I like the nice wide leg. There's a lot of stretch in this, so I think this is a pretty good outfit. So the blazer's from Skies Are Blue. It is $79. The top is from Liverpool. It's $59. The pants are from Tribal, and they are $82. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. This is that Liverpool jacket. Now, I don't like it zipped all the way up here because this is touching my neck, and I can't stand for things to touch my neck, so I would probably just have it unzipped a little bit, or maybe not even zipped at all. But I just let that rib top underneath it because that's the only top I had in this, except for the next one I'm going to be trying on. But this feels so good. It's like that Spanx material. Oh, it's so nice. I love the big sleeves, side pockets. Again, I don't like to zip it all the way up because I don't like it at my neck, but I love this color. It says light purple. Looks like a dusty pink to me, but This is so nice. I love this jacket. But you guys, I don't like the price of this jacket. So it's from Liverpool and it's $119, you guys. So it's like on the same level as the Spanx price is. So I've got one more thing to try on. So this is the last thing. This was actually in my saved list, but I didn't realize the material when I saved it. I just kind of like the polo style look and just the casualness to it. And I love Liverpool because this is from Liverpool as well. But this is that same material, like that Air Essentials material or the Scuba Knit material from Walmart. It's so good. It does have that polo style neckline, and I did just front take it, but you can see it's a really good length if you just like to leave your shirts untucked. This is also not too boxy to where it feels frumpy or looks frumpy, and I love the color of this one. Okay, so this is from Liverpool, and it's $88, you guys. So the total for all 5 things is $427. If I decided to buy all of them and get the 25% discount, that would knock $106 off, making the total for all 5 items $320.25. Now that's not a bad price for 3 Liverpool items. So guys, it's been a while since I have really liked everything out of a box. So to me, I feel like this is a 5-5 for me because I love the blazer. That's what prompted this whole fix. And I like that boat neck top that is underneath it because I love a great boat neck. And then I think that'd be a great base. And so it's in a navy, so it's going to go with a lot. I have a lot of blazers that can go with. And so I think that'll be a good base. It's ribbed and it's not too fitted. So really nice, but not too big to where it looks really weird under layered pieces. I love these pants. They're very comfortable. I've been wearing them to see if they stretch too much because I have been noticing a few of the things that I've been buying lately just have a little bit of a stretch to it. By the end of the day, they feel kind of loose and baggy. So I'm just going to make sure that these don't do that because I do like these. I like the length of them. And I really don't have anything this color in a wide leg, so that'll be nice too. This feels so good. I mean, I just think this will be so good with a pair of jeans, boots for fall, or even casual with some sneakers. And then I really like that jacket. I think that jacket feels so good, and I like the color of it too. So I think this is a 5 for 5 for me. I'm really liking this, and this is the same stylist that I had last time. Her name is Tracy, so I think I'll really like her. And when I check out, if they offer me the style pass to be waived for another back-to-back, I may do it, even though I think I'm gonna get everything out of this box. I think I'm gonna keep everything because I really do like it. I'm gonna watch back the try on and see for myself what it looks like on instead of just in the mirror. So, but I think I'm liking everything. What do you guys think? Do you think that this one was a really good one? I'm getting things that I'm asking for now and not getting the repetitive things. So this was on my save list, as was the blazer. So what do you guys think about this box? Do you think it's a redemption from my last few boxes? And also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And then also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.